Welcome to the Media Engagement Services workshops and video tutorials. This is the first of 7 workshops in which we'll show you how to create your own communications network and how to fill that with content that tells the story of your research. In this first workshop, we'll be looking at why outreach and engagement is so important for researchers and how to set up a network of social media platforms and other online facilities where you can talk about your research to the world. The next 6 workshops will show you various ways that you can fill your network with content that will engage the world with your research. We'll be showing you how to take great pics with your mobile phone, easy ways to write blogs, podcasts made easy, graphics and animations for researchers, simple videos, and more complex videos. We are a team of researchers who've turned our hands to a variety of communication techniques, so we've encountered all the problems that researchers like you will come up against when trying to communicate your research. We've also come up with simple, practical, and cheap solutions to all of those problems, and that's what these workshops are all about, showing you what we've learned. So let's get started.